Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to track events in Mixpanel. Okay, so first up, to track events in Mixpanel, use the Mixpanel track method, which is a JavaScript in key areas of your project. Okay, to do so, simply add a line right here, maybe add in a script and close. Inside of the script, add in Mixpanel, like so, dot track, open close, then the event name or custom event. Okay, custom event. You can use this method in various key areas with unique names for each event. Now, once done, you can head back inside the Mixpanel dashboard. And here under your Mixpanel dashboard, when you go ahead over to events right here, you should be able to see a new custom event that is being tracked. Okay, right here. These new custom events can now be used in reports, like when you go ahead over to your board right here and maybe add new content insights. When you use it under here, you should be able to see it as an independent event. And that's basically it. That's how you track events here in Mixpanel. You could also do Mixpanel.track. Okay, open close. Inside of it, add in maybe sign up, like so, comma, curly braces right here. Add in maybe sign up type. Okay, sign up type, colon. It's called referral, just like so. All right, but this is just for using JavaScript. If you want to know how to do it on Python, PHP, Node, like right here, okay, JavaScript, Python, PHP, Node, Go, Ruby, Java right here, and some other options. Don't worry, I'll leave this link in the description. All right, there you have it. That's how you track events here on Mixpanel. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.